USB wall plug compatibility. USB plug. Phone chargers, perfect fit for iPhone 14, 14 Pro, 14 Max, 14 Pro Max, 13 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max, 13 Mini, 12 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max, 12 Mini, SE, 11 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, XR, XS Max, by 8 7 6 6 S Plus, iPad Pro, Mini, Air, Samsung Galaxy S22, S21, S20 Note 20, A01, A10, A11, A12, A20, A21, A32, A42, A50, A51, A52, A70, A71, S10, ES10, S9, S8, S7, S6. Google Pixel 6a 6 Pro 5a 5 4a 43a 3 2 XL. LG Stylo 654K 51 V60 V50 ThinQ. Moto G Power. G Stylus. G Play G8 G7 G6. OnePlus 10 9 8 T77 T Pro 66T. Safe charging charger block. NonoUV charger cube. Use PC fireproof material. Provide multiple protections, including output short circuit, built-in overcurrent, overvoltage and overheating protection, etc. USB wall charger has undergone 100% burn-in tests, extending the service life and charging more safety. Automatically stop charging when the battery is full. USB wall charger upgraded to 0. With the new intelligent IC technology, the charging efficiency is improved by 15% compared with other chargers, and the performance is more stable and the temperature is lower. Input: AC 100 to 240 volts. Output: District of Columbia 5V, 1 amp. Specifically designed: heat-resistant and anti-throw design, compact and easy to carry, comfortable grip, suitable use for home, travel, office, and business trip. Smart dual-port IC automatically recognizes and assigns the most effective current to your cell phone and tablets, and the phone USB charger interface adopts an integrated injection molding technology, stronger and more durable. What you get: 5x USB wall charger, rose red, purple, blue, white, green. Top reviews from the United States. Great USB charging block. Good units. They are colorful and work well for charging phones. We have had one fail, but I have bought at least 3 sets. So overall I am pleased with them. Great value.